Welcome to part 5 of our drone maintenance series. Today, we're going to discuss battery maintenance and safe disposal methods, which are directly linked to both flight performance and fire safety. Lithium polymer and lithium-ion intelligent. Flight batteries offer high power-to-weight ratios, but they are extremely sensitive to temperature, charging habits, and storage conditions. Neglecting them can lead to battery swelling, sudden power loss during flight, or even fire hazards. Popular current models like the DJI Mini 4 Pro or Air 3S use high-density lithium-ion or LiPo 4S and 6S batteries. They feature a smart battery management system, or BMS, which prevents overcharging, monitors temperature, and enables auto-discharging. However, even with smart features, exposing batteries to high temperatures or repeating deep discharges increases internal resistance, creating a dangerous risk of sudden voltage drop during flight. Here are 5 key management principles to significantly extend your battery life. First, charging timing. Leaving a battery fully charged for long periods can deform the cells, so it's best to charge them the day before or on the day of your flight. Second, storage level. When storing your drone for more than a week, keep the battery level between 50 and 60% to maintain optimal chemical stability. Third, temperature control. Charge your batteries in environments between 15 and 30 degrees Celsius and fly within 0 to 40 degrees Celsius. In cold weather, warming up the battery before takeoff is essential. Fourth, cooling after flight. Plugging a hot battery directly into a charger right after flight can cause swelling due to internal heat. Always let it cool down for 20 to 30 minutes before charging. Fifth, preventing over-discharge. Dropping below 20% battery level causes a sharp voltage drop that can permanently damage the cells. Get into the habit of landing safely before hitting 20%. Keep in mind that batteries usually start declining in performance after 150 to 200 charge cycles. So check internal resistance regularly and retire old batteries from flight duty. You can easily check battery health in the DJI Fly app under Settings, Safety, and Battery Info. If the voltage difference between cells exceeds 0.1 volts, cell imbalance has occurred. Stop using the battery immediately and consider replacing it. If an over-temperature warning above 60 degrees Celsius pops up during flight, land immediately and let it cool down at room temperature. Also, if your charge cycle count exceeds 200, flight time may drop drastically, so replacing it is strongly recommended for safety. Here is a tip for long-term storage. Fully charged DJI batteries automatically discharge down to 60% based on your set time frame. Generating slight heat during this process is completely normal. Avoid storing batteries in direct sunlight, hot cars, or humid places. For fire prevention, always store them in a LiPo safe bag or a metal battery box. What should you do if a battery swells or gets damaged? Battery swelling means internal gas has built up, posing a high risk of fire or explosion. Stop using it immediately, fully discharge it, and dispose of it properly. If it fails to charge or shows an LED error, the BMS circuit or cells are damaged. Never attempt self-repairs. Batteries with cracks from crash impacts also carry a risk of internal short circuits and should be disposed of immediately. For safe disposal, fully discharge the battery to 0 volts by soaking it in salt water for 24 to 48 hours or using a dedicated discharger. Then, wrap insulating tape around the battery terminals to prevent short circuits. Finally, never throw them in regular household trash. Take them to your local hazardous waste collection site or an authorized e-waste recycling center. A drone battery is not just a consumable, but a critical component tied directly to flight safety. Cool down before charging, keep at 60% for storage, and avoid leaving them fully charged. Following these 3 rules will greatly extend your battery's life. In our next video, part 6 of the drone maintenance series, we'll cover sensor checks, along with proper IMU and compass calibration techniques. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next flight.